Well, they done got started. They got the truck lifted. They putting the lift kit on right now. They got the lift kit going up on this thing, man. We're going with the top-notch lift. We're gonna do the top-notch joint. You already know. That's right here is the top of the line lift kit. The top of the line lift kit. Going up on that joint. Yeah. Oh yeah. Get this thing lifted up, man. What's that there?
Spindle.
New steering knuckle?
Yeah.
Is those U-boats?
Yeah, those U-boats.
Yeah. I know a little bit. I was a diesel mechanic for 10 years, so I know a little bit. Yeah. Woo! Sway bars out. Got the new, got the old joint out. Control arms out. Got the old sway bar right here. Control arm right here. Got new shots going up on this joint. The whole kit, the whole shebang. Right here, my old steering knuckle right here. The old steering knuckle. Boom, you know what I'm talking about? I low-key need some new rotors though. Ooh. I need some new rotors bad. Yeah. We lifting this thing up, man. 6.5 inches, man. 6.5 inches, man. Yeah, man. So, like I said, I really wasn't even expecting to come up here to even get the lift done today. I was expecting to just come up here, talk to them, you know what I'm saying, get a little bit of information, and then go from there, get some numbers, and then go from there. But once he gave me those numbers, I'm like, yo, bro, I gotta go ahead and do this like today. I gotta get it done today because the numbers is just right for that whole lift kit. Like I said, this right here is the top of the notch lift kit that I'm getting on this joint. So to get that lift kit, to get the wheels, to get the tires, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be stupid McNupid, man. It's gonna be stupid McNupid, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing the lift kit on this joint, this thing gonna be hard, man. I can't wait for y'all to see. I can't wait to see it my damn self. Honestly, I can't wait to see this joint. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to it. Got the old wheels. Got the old wheels off. The old wheels off that thing, man. Woo! Sitting right here waiting for the truck to get ready. Sitting here with my son. Sitting over here watching the movie Soul. You know what I'm talking about? Like I said, this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, but like get my truck lifted. You know what I'm saying? Do the exhaust delete. That's something I'm gonna end up doing. I'm supposed to be dropping off to get it wrapped tomorrow. I'm gonna drop it off with them, and they probably supposed to be doing. I think I probably gonna have it for like a week or so. That's cool with me. But I'm, you know what I'm saying? Look, I ain't even, like I said, I wasn't even expecting to get. My son got something to say. What's up, dude? Nah, I'm okay. Thank you, man. Y'all see what he got on. Y'all see the car. Move your can about. Let them see your shirt. The detailer. You know what I'm saying? Go shop at detailerlife.com if y'all want any of that gear. You know what I'm saying? You got something you want to say to the people, Carter?
No.
All right, go finish watching the movie for me, man. Okay. Gear, like I said, go shop at detailerlife.com. Detailers versus the world joint. You know what I'm saying? We're up here at Dana's Customs. Wheels and tires out here in Dallas, Texas, out for 30 and Ferguson, man. If y'all trying to get it in your cars lifted or lowered, get you some wheels, Come out here to Dana's Customs Wheels and Tires, man. They're gonna get you right every time. Tell him your boy, the detailer sent him. Your boy Anthony Brown Jr. with Carlos Carker, the detailer sent you. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to see this. I can't wait to see when this lift get done, man. This lift for to be stupid, magnupid. I'm doing a stupid magnupid, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing a 6.5 lift on it, man. 24-inch wheel tires with the big ass lip on it. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to show y'all, man. I can't wait to show y'all. Y'all just stay tuned, man.
12 seconds later.
This is what happened when boredom strikes with your 7-year-old son. Boredom has strike with my 7-year-old son. Yeah, I'm recording you, boy.
Says